The generalists will displace the specialists out of the large cap names. That's where they're hiding out right now. That's why the juniors haven't had access to capital. The juniors are generally funded by specialist funds who are focused predominantly on precious and base metals. They have not been putting risk capital to work with the explorers because they've been hiding out in the liquid large cap names, expecting redemptions from their unit holders. I can't blame them. It is what it is because the generalists haven't made any sort of commitment to the industry. But eventually that'll happen, and it'll happen in a very violent fashion, like it did coming out of the great financial crisis when we had a significant outperformance not only of the commodity, but of the general equities in our space. And then it abandoned the sector in 2012, really hasn't come back in any meaningful fashion. But when it happened, it was a violent upward movement. It generally comes out of a crisis where the baby gets thrown out with the bathwater. Everybody gets sold off, including natural resources. But when capital starts to flow back, it flows into the primary industries like mining. And we see a significant outperformance, not only of the commodity, but of the equities in the mining space relative to the general equity market. It's a very violent, significant outperformance.